At least 14 people are now confirmed dead from floods and landslides in South Korea. Days of torrential rain have mostly affected the country's south, causing widespread destruction. Nearly 10,000 people have been forced from their homes, while tens of thousands temporarily lost power. There are fears the current death toll could rise as rescue and relief efforts continue, with more than a dozen people still missing. And in Hong Kong, Typhoon Wifa is causing major disruptions as flights and train schedules experience delays and cancellations. The city issued its highest tropical cyclone warning as the typhoon battered the region. The storm, which reached typhoon strength overnight, is expected to make landfall later today.
今次咧個風由於咧途經香港，所以雖然個風力本身唔係真係好強啦，但係因為真係吹到正嘅，所以對香港咧，尤其是對我哋東區個破壞力都幾大。咁啊好彩咧，主要都係冧樹啦、冧棚架，咁啊亦都冇傷亡嘅報告啦。咁啊相對地咧，對於舊時嘅山竹啊、天鴿等等咧，就破壞力更加驚人。咁今次我哋主要就係冧樹、冧棚架。